Well, hello and welcome back to Posh Cats Camping. We've made it to the Sandringham Caravan and Motorhome Club site, and it's the beginning of December 2020. It's quite a chilly week. We've had some snow, and if you saw my previous video you'd have seen the Sandringham site under a layer of snow as we arrived. Just having a walk around the site now. I can show you sections of it that are closed off because of the winter period. They only use half the site during the winter months, particularly when there's not so many visitors to the site. Got two toilet blocks and a reception block, and all the pictures are hard stand with electric hookup, and we're in the forest on the Sandringham estate, which is really pretty. You've only just got to step outside the site into the woodland and the beautiful surroundings of Norfolk. Let's have a little walk around. I'll show you what there is, and then we'll get back to the van. And here's one of the two facilities blocks with ladies and gents toilets and showers, and to the right hand side of that is the motorhome service point, just on the right hand side of this building. Just to the left here is the section of the site that's currently closed. In winter time they don't have nearly as many bookings, so they close off this section to keep all of the visitors on one end, which is great because then they don't have to do all of the bins and all of the other things that go on the site when there's only a few of us here. Well, there's a little doggy walk up at the top end here. This is the section of the site that's closed at the moment, but we've walked around here with the dogs and can still have a little run in the doggy walk. It's a little strip between the trees there where they can run up and down, and you can throw a ball and they can have a bit of a exercise without them being in the forest. Now all these pictures here are ready to run, so it looks like that they could open up the site at any time. So it's an open all year round site. Amongst the trees here there's a nice little children's play area with the swing and the small slide. All the safety precautions are taken. Of course you do need to look after your children whilst you're on the playground. And here's a second facilities block with dishwashing area on the end, ladies and gents toilets and showers.